Yep, I'm really making a second video about making porridge, one of the easiest foods you could possibly ever make. This time again I'm starting with oats, as you always should with porridge. I'm adding some ginger flavoured sugar, which I've got left over from the candied ginger that I made. It was supposed to be syrup, but it crystallized. May as well use it in this recipe. I'm adding some soft cheese, which is where the cheesecake flavour porridge comes from. I'm adding some frozen mixed berries, and finally milk. And as you normally would for porridge, I'm just going to bring that up to the point that it starts bubbling, turn the heat down, and then leave it to come to the thickness that I want. So this is, again, very easy to make. It's just porridge, so there's really not much to it. But I just wanted to make a video on this one because this is possibly the most delicious porridge that I've ever eaten. It was very, very good. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. There's really not much to it. But thanks for watching. See you in a future video.